Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ratnika and you have reached Natural Vibration. So this is a Divine Masculine Speaks for this upcoming week. We've got the Libra full moon coming this week, so I do feel it's a very powerful week. If you guys haven't checked out my twin flame reading for this week, definitely check it out. Very, very positive messages. So I really hope they resonate with you because that would be amazing. Once again, these are general readings. I am not a tarot card reader, but I'm an oracle card reader. So if they do resonate, these are general readings. So if they do resonate with you, please take what works, and what doesn't, please let that go. I do private readings. So if you are interested in knowing what's going on in your particular situation, not just twin flame, but any other aspect as well, you can log on to my website naturalvibrations.in and book a session there. I also do various healings, modality on Skype as well as in person. I'm a shamanic healer. I do EFT, which is tapping. I do NLP, neuro-linguistic programming sessions, as well as I am a certified life coach. So if any of that resonates with you, you can definitely check out my services. If you do like my readings, it would be amazing if you could please like, share, and subscribe. So this is the Divine Masculine Speak. Let's try to connect with the energies of the Divine Masculine in twin flame relationships. If you are not in a twin flame relationships, but in a regular soulmate, karmic, whatever, and this resonates with you, then it's perfectly fine. Go ahead. These are just titles, and take what resonates with you. Okay. So first off, I miss you regardless of how things seem. So the first message we've got is the Divine Masculine is definitely missing the Divine Feminine. I miss you of regardless how things seem. Is basically just because they're not reaching out to you, just because they haven't said anything to you, of them not unblocked you, of they're not spoken to you or reacted to you, doesn't mean they don't miss you. How could you still love me after all I've done? This card has come up in the past a few times. What this is telling me is the Divine Masculine is still feeling very ashamed about how he or she behaved, because it could apply to a she as well, and they just don't know how you could still want them after what they've done. So it's not about you not wanting them, it's about them thinking, I am not good enough to be wanted. So that's the energy that they're always dealing with. That's the main energy that's blocked them from the start. So dear universe, what else does the Divine Masculine want to say to the Divine Feminine at this time? Whoa. You feel like home to me. So the Divine Masculine definitely, really, really cares about the Divine Feminine. They feel very comfortable in their presence. They feel like when they are with the Divine Feminine, it's like coming home. And it's so funny. I remember when I first broke up with my twin, before I even knew exactly what a twin flame relationship was, before my spiritual awakening, I remember somebody asked me, why do you think about your twin so much? And I said that, what, being with them was like coming home. Like coming home to something. And that's exactly how I felt. Oh wow, guys, I will still love you, and we will be together again. So again, the Divine Masculine still loves you, Divine Feminine, and they want to tell you that reunion is going to happen, and it's going to happen very soon. And this goes very well with the energies from the cards I picked for this week. So let's see what else is going on. So Divine Masculine, please work with me to give me just Divine Masculine, what is it that you wish to tell the Divine Feminine? Embrace your emotions. Don't push down your feelings or judge your emotions. So I spoke in my last video that how I've been feeling a lot of my twins' energy, because I've been randomly crying and feeling low when I don't even know why, because I don't have any issue to be sad about. And I'm pretty sure it was my twins' energy. And I think that's what's going on. The Divine Masculine's been trying to hide their feelings for so long. The hurt, the pain, things that have triggered them. And they're no longer doing that. They're finally embracing their feelings. They're finally facing it. Whatever it is, the good, bad, the ugly. The Divine Masculine's finally facing it. And that's great. That's what I felt. Honestly, I felt that. I thought I felt my twin. True love. This love is once in a lifetime. So they're coming to realize that the love that they have for you cannot be replaced, divine feminine. They're coming to they're saying, I still love you. This is true love. We will be together. I've never gotten this card, by the way, before in any reading. We will be together again. This is telling me that, look, I am now facing my emotions. I am no longer keeping them trapped. I'm no longer hiding them. You are my true love. You are the one I want to be with, and this, I'm dealing with it, and we've got to have faith. They're trusting in this connection now. They're trusting this week, this couple of weeks, of course, timelines vary for different people, but they're coming to the realization that what they feel is real and this is true love, and they must trust it. They cannot be afraid anymore. They cannot be afraid of going after what they love because they have to trust it. Look at your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. Yep. They're coming to that realization that they are strong enough to go after what they want. So up till now, they've been scared. And you see, they still have this little bit of fear, right? And we'll do a little bit of what they're afraid of and what's blocking them. But this is talking about how, they're ashamed. This is self-love. They feel like what they did was so bad that how could you still love them? Because they're not the perfect person in their own eyes. But they're dealing with those emotions. Those emotions are not coming from you. This is not what you told them. This is how they feel because of things in their life, because of, stuff from childhood, karmic shit that's been triggered, and that's what they have to deal. A lot of divine feminine know this because we have dealt with our shit and we keep dealing with it. But the masculines have been hiding it, and now they're truly opening up and they're coming to the realization that this is it. I must be strong. I must have faith because this is what I must go after. All right? So, dear universe, what is blocking the divine masculine at this time? Divine masculine, what is going on? What's blocking you? Is there something that you're afraid of? Something that's holding you back, divine masculine, from coming to your feminine? Speak to us. High Lord of gratitude and service, selflessness, humility, conscious action. They're trying to be a better person. All right, they're trying to be grateful for how far they've come. They're trying to be more selfless. Up till now, they've sort of been just thinking about what makes them happy, but they're trying to now sort of come to the realization of what this is all about. And then we've got the wisher, wisdom and power of the divine. I feel like they're coming to term. They're getting that knowledge, the knowledge that us feminines have sort of already received, that the universe has got our back, that the universe is supporting us in this union. This is having that extra wisdom. This is growing from all of this. This is becoming a better version of ourselves. And the divine, because this is coming as what's blocking them, I feel like the divine masculines were not dealing with this in the past. And this could be something that they're trying to get over right now, which is coming to the realization that there is something bigger than them, that this is not just them, and they don't have to be afraid of going after this connection because the universe is orchestrating this. The universe has their back, so they really don't need to be afraid. And this is what they're dealing with. Small steps, the divine and asking for help. The divine masculine is a little proud, right? So they feel all of this, but they don't want to ask for help. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to get out of this negative feeling, but they've resisted asking for help. They don't want to, didn't want to make a move up till now. Okay, they just didn't want to make a move. What else? Yep. They created boundaries around themselves. They made like a armor around themselves so they didn't have to face anything. So what I'm getting is what's holding them back is that up till now, they sort of lived in a cocoon where they're like, okay, I'm just going to be me, forget what's happening with the twin, forget all these feelings, I'm going to crush it, hide this feeling, make a boundary around myself and just live. But the universe has been pushing them. And now they're like, they're like, no, but I don't want, and they're resisting it. They've created this armor and they don't want to break it. But guess what? The armor is slowly breaking. They're going to have to ask the universe for help. They're going to have to let the will of the divine come through because They can no longer hold on to this armor. Some of them may still be here, but if you see how they're feeling, it's going to soon be breaking, okay? They're going to get rid of this armor and let the divine do its job. Beautiful. All right, universe, what future steps, what future action steps is the divine masculine going to take towards the divine feminine? So dear masculine, what steps are you going to take towards the divine feminine in the near future? Forgiveness. They're going to either forgive you, divine feminine, or they're going to ask for forgiveness, all right? Maybe they feel they need to be forgiven, or maybe they feel they need to forgive you. Either which way, they're going to be making steps towards forgiveness in the near future. What else in the near future? Get more information, okay, within the next few months, and you're ready. All right. So what I'm getting is they're going to start gathering information. They're going to start gathering information about you, about this connection, about what this all of this means, about, you know, they're basically going to start learning. Maybe they're reading up and watching videos online. Maybe they're trying to understand this connection. They're just sort of feeding their mind with information. And they're going to be, you know, in the next few months, they're going to be ready to forgive, to move forward, and to make a move. Now, the next few months, a few months is so vague. It could be 1 month, could be 2 months, could be 6 months, could be 8 months. Everybody's on a different timeline, right? But in the next few months, there's going to be forgiveness because the divine masculine is going to be ready. Now, if you saw my twin flame reading, it talks about new beginnings. So maybe the divine masculine may even come closer. Some of them may happen in the next few weeks even, you know. So we don't know that because everybody's in a different timeline. But they could be making smaller steps this week, and then the full union could happen in the next few months, you know. All right, what else is what other actions, what's the actions are you gonna take, divine masculine, towards the divine feminine? So they've got that pride card coming up. So there is a little bit of the pride coming up, that they don't want to ask for help. They don't want to show their feelings. They want to sort of be proud. That has to go, divine masculine. If you're listening, that has to go, okay? Self-love, okay. So the divine masculine the next few months are also going to be dealing with their pride as well as their self-love. This goes hand in hand with how can you still love me? I've been talking about this already. The divine masculine really needs to take care of themselves. Once they start loving themselves and letting go of this pride, that's when all these steps are going to happen. So this is the stuff he's going to be working on himself and within, so that he can come. He might take a little bit of time out. He might break up with somebody, or, you know, leave a situation behind and take a little time for themselves so that they can work on self-love. And when that happens and they can deal with this, you know, these emotions that they've been hiding, which is, you know, dealing with their emotions and figuring out how they truly love you, that's when they can start making a move. So I feel like the next few weeks to a few months are still going to be very powerful. The masculine is coming to the realization of what they feel. A few things are still holding them back, like self-love and a little bit of their pride, ego. Oh, I can't tell them I love them. I feel so stupid going back to them. What if they reject me? I'm not good enough. These are small issues that are still plaguing the divine masculine. But I feel like that's going to change very soon. Okay, I definitely feel that, because the energies are still very powerful. It says within the next few months, we've got forgiveness. I still love you. We will be together again. Positive energies. So I'm going to pick one more card. Excuse me. All right, divine masculine, if you wish to tell the divine feminine, give the divine feminine any advice, what would it be? Whoa, too many cards, divine masculine. See, he has a lot to say. He has a lot to say. Divine masculine. Okay. Double mission, channeling and uplifting humanity. All right. So what this is telling me, this is Pleiades. What this is, actually I can read this from the book. 1 second. Now, issue with this book is that it's not like numbered. So I have to go through all of them and find it. I'm sorry, guys, but there it is. The Pleiadians are a group of star beings dedicated to raising the vibration of the planet. Right? Look at that. Sharing new consciousness through creations and technology. They have been incarnating on Earth since near the beginning of humanity. You are a soul who has a double mission. Whoa! Double mission, one soul, double mission, twin flames. Woohoo! The divine masculines coming to that realization, and they're telling you that, divine feminine. To grow at a soul level and to raise the vibration of the planet. The whole issue, the whole reason why twin flames are on this planet is to raise the vibration, right? We are special, whether you like it or not. Sometimes it feels like a curse, right? If you have been called to write, speak, or channel, this is your sign to keep doing it. Your work is divinely guided. Of all of the souls, Pleiadians are the chattiest, and so perhaps you have already started channeling some of this work into the third dimension. Well, I definitely have. Thank you for doing your part in the great plan. Your presence and unique light is needed. Okay, so please, guys, put your hand on your heart and listen to this message and just feel it in your heart. I call upon the Pleiadian consciousness of the highest realms and the highest good of humanity to work through me. Let me be a channel for only the purest light of the essence of the source. Let me channel in a way that also serves me. Beautiful. All right, guys, that was your twin flame reading. Divine masculine twin flame channeling message. Also, if you guys would like to follow my chatty channel, I also have a YouTube channel which is about my travels and other things that I post about. The link is in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot more regularly there, and I do a lot of different videos on healing and self-help as well as my travels over there. You can follow me. It's called Ritnika Nan. Details are in the box below. Take care. Bye.